Hey everybody, this is Dustin, Urban Specialist. So I wanted to talk about U-bolts, right? Let me show you something on here. And sorry for the noise in the background. That's Zach in the back doing some custom cutting on a unit that we're working on for some frame cracks. Anyways, you see how there's threads on the top of these U-bolts? This is somebody else's axles as they're off the unit. So you can see how there is thread past those bolts. Well, over here on this unit that we're working on, and these are 9/16 U-bolts, there is no thread sticking past those bolts, and in some cases it's even down below the bolt, and it's the same way on that side, and it's the same way on that side. So that's what we consider an unsafe condition. Whenever you are changing your leaf springs, and at some point, whether it be the owner or another shop, somebody purchased some leaf springs from e-trailer, and obviously they added thicker leaves because those are the original U-bolts. And so when they did that, whenever you take off a U-bolt, it's recommended by any axle manufacturer company you talk to replace those U-bolts, right? So one, this U-bolt's too short. Two, they added heavy duty springs, which when you add thicker, or more leaves, which is fine, the normal thing to do is, instead of adding heavier duty leaves, is the thickness of those leaves change. So, for, let's say, example, this unit that's sitting here next to us, let's say they said, hey, and I don't see the tag, or there it is, as a Dexter, but let's say it's a 5,200 pound axle, right, with a 4 leaf, right? The difference would be, hey, do you have a 6,000 pound axle with a 4 leaf? And it would be the thickness of these leaves would be thicker. It'd be thicker, like, say, like the thickness, just to give you like a dumb analogy, of like a credit card, right? So that's what you're really changing, is not the amount of leaves, it's the thickness of the leaves. So anyway, stay tuned for more. I'm gonna do a couple more videos on this guy, because there's a lot of things just happening just with this particular suspension alone. And because of all these different failures and things that's been changed over the time, it's actually helped cause damage to the frame. So the frame itself came in originally with 4 cracks, and as we progressively went through it and started repairing it, we ended up finding over 10. So, all right, well, stay tuned for more. This is Dustin, your Urban Specialist.